street right now. I ain't gonna lie, something light, nothing too crazy, you feel me? We cruising right now. We cruising. Chill. I don't have to blur that out, but we cruising right now, bro. We're gonna go ahead, have a good time, vibe out, feel me? Y'all already know what to do. Hey, last vid, y'all went crazy last vid, bro. Y'all went crazy last vid. So what I'm gonna need y'all to do, subscribe, hit that like button, bro. What are y'all doing, bro? What are y'all doing? Bro, we have a thing in front of us. Hold on. These delinquents. I won't pass them right now. That's it. Damn, that's that. Damn.
That should sound like gunshot.
Oh my god. Damn.
No, I just
They outside. They outside. There's people here outside. Alright, bro. I'm gonna do a little quick walk around, feel me? Yo. Let's see, bro. What you thinking?
God damn.
God damn. Damn, bro. Yeah, hour, bro. I ain't gonna lie. This man hosted me. Everybody start coming outside. Yeah, he's fine. What's good? What's good? Well, yo.
What's up, bro?
What's good?
How you doing? Yo, what up?
Infinity man, bro. What's good? How you doing?
Got Nissan Max.
What's good, bro? What's good?
So listen,
Yeah.
it didn't go as planned, but I'm thinking about something right now.
What you think, bro?
We might go to, Spiral. We might go to Spiral instead as a second spot. They won't know.
You think they won't know? You think they won't know?
Nah, cause it was at the other garage that I hosted it, and I gave them time to
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
So if I do it if I'm gonna announce it here, and I'm gonna post it right now, they won't see it. So if we go to Spiral, and it's not as crowded as the other one. Don't look at me. So I'll see how that goes. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, see. Typical Beamer boy. Typical Beamer boy. Look at this. What's going on? Like, alright, man. I'm gonna go ahead, do what I do best. Stay tuned, bro.
But yeah, check how close.
Who's this? Oh. What's that? Look at him. Sheesh. Hey, true nemesis. Of course, gotta get that in there. Of course, look at him. Hey, oh my God, bro, brought out the Lexus. Damn. Oh my God. You said what? Oh my God. Hold on. What's going on? What's going on? Whoa, what's going on? Hey, yo, next clip. Bro, what? Chill, my God. Yeah, mine is a little dirty right now, but he got the clears. I'm telling you, bro, something about these knife gens, bro. Y'all sleeping on these knife gens, bro. Oh my God. Typical Mustang activity. I'm not Mustang, but sheesh. Yo, damn, bro. Oh my God. And he got the setup in the back. Oh my God. We have an IA casually chilling over here. But hold on, they're calling me. Hold on. They're calling me. Yeah. finally brought the V outside. Finally brought the.
Go check it out.
Barely. You said barely.
I gotta get you, bro.
What?
Bro, you don't not see my hand? I was bruised, nigga. The fucking car fell on my hand with the tire under, like crashed. Nigga, I lost blood fucking circulation for like 33 minutes.
Yo, like don't mind what he just said. Just. Oh my god. Damn. Hey, peep the wide body BMW over there. What happened? Damn. What play is this? Alright, so let's go ahead. This is my
Nigga had to zoom in real quick for that one.
certified scrapers. Nah.
Might get some Tesla wheels. That us?
What you trying to be like?
Low
What you trying to
CM5? Low CM5?
Who bro feeling like right now, bro? Look at this.
I'm not static.
Damn. Hold on, I gotta go on the other side. The man of the hour. Oh my god. Eso son tío. He says right here, bro. Hey, follow him, bro. Give me a little song. Damn. Oh man. So what am I hearing? This man Lewis like he about to get Tesla rims. How do you feel, sir?
Calling the police.
Damn, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, turn the brightness up real quick. TSX wagon, bro. Oh my god. Look at this, bro. Man, it's weekend. So we got the Subi back there. How y'all doing? We do have AKA Static Mobile. Bro, switch it up to the Teslas. As you can see. Switch it up to the Teslas. Apparently he delivers pizza, bruh. That's what I'm assuming. But look. Oh man. Sheesh. Dame uno aquí mismo. Bro, I didn't get it on video. Another one. For the video. Yo, bro.
Yeah.
Yo, hold him back. Gotta hold him back. Damn. Hey, who's this?
Is that TTT Bando?
Oh, yeah. No, I'm the real static pop.
You're not even low.
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye.
You say you're the real what?
Static pop. Static pop is on back.
I gotta get that side out. Bro's whipping it. If I go ahead, we're about to hop in, feel me? Word. Fast boy. You want to sit in the front or the back?
Back.
Alright. Feel me?
What's up, bro?
My fault. I had to come to the V real quick, feel me? Alright, yeah.
He's on camera, bro.
4K.
Where you want me to put?
Shit.
That shit's fat, right? You see that ass right there, bro? That shit
Hey,
fat.
yo.
What is he doing in my seat?
Yo, watch your mama, man.
Yo.
Watch your
Yo,
mama,
you're gonna bleep it
man.
anyway.
We're gonna go ahead and take a little ad break, but most of y'all that are watching the videos are not subscribed. Come on, man, subscribe, man. Show love to your boy. We're on the road to 500, man. Come on now. Well, time to get back to the video, man.
Damn, bro. Damn, it's still pulling up too. Oh my god, I gotta get my camera.
This just left me.
That's a BB right back.
Go ahead and do some donuts.
You did that?
Let me stop.
Not even real.
We in a 350Z. Manuas. ¿Qué lo que?
You gotta give me some right there. There you go.
Oh, the clutch don't feel bad. I ain't gonna lie. Clutch feel good. Lights? Oh yeah, I was just gonna say that. Oh yeah. Bro, it's sturdy.
Play with him. Whew. I like this. Oh yeah. Look at him down there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I like this. Yo, what? Alright. Oh yeah. Oh, you backing up.
Oh.
I hope you guys like.
Oh my god. Go. You're gonna have to cut it out. You're gonna have to cut it out.
You guys like, comment, subscribe, feel me? Tune into the next video. We about to hit 500 subs, feel me? Subscribe.
500.
Subscribe.
Subscribe, mother. Fricker.